How to kill cockroaches using sugar, simple but effective. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today we're going to talk about a creature that's extremely familiar to humans, cockroaches. These insects spread many viruses and are capable of surviving in almost any environmental condition. There were rumors that cockroaches could survive a nuclear explosion, but that's completely untrue. And in this video, I'll share a simple but extremely effective method to completely eliminate cockroaches. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The special thing is that we'll use sugar, something cockroaches can't resist, to create a formula strong enough to eliminate them completely. First, we will prepare sugar, half a glass of water, baking soda, a cup or pitcher for mixing, and a spoon for stirring. First, take an empty glass and pour in about half the amount of water, which is about 1/4 of a glass. Next, add the sugar, 2 tablespoons. If there's too much water, as in my case, remove some until there's about half a cup or less. Next, add baking soda, 2 tablespoons. Here's the secret, a combination of sugar and baking soda. When cockroaches are attracted to the sugar and its sweet aroma, the baking soda acts as a poison when they ingest it, and it will surely kill them. Next, stir the mixture thoroughly. This method is safe for humans and pets, but extremely deadly to cockroaches, which we hope for. Stir for at least a minute to ensure the mixture is completely homogeneous. After stirring, we'll use bread, something almost everyone has at home. Cut the bread into small pieces and add them to the mixture. If the mixture is too runny, you can use 2 slices of cake instead of 1. Stir well until all the ingredients are combined and form a thick paste. Once the paste is thick enough, you'll see results immediately, and you'll thank yourself for this tip that will completely get rid of these annoying insects from your home. Next, after mixing, we will use the banana peels. Banana peels are the second most popular food item after sugar that cockroaches love, which is why they are often found in kitchens. Every time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel. Sprinkle this mixture on the peel instead. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you don't have enough peels, you can use the leftover slices of bread. The important thing is that cockroaches are attracted to any kind of food, not necessarily bananas or sugar. If you don't have enough peels, you can use the leftover slices of bread. The important thing is that cockroaches are attracted to any kind of food, not necessarily bananas or sugar. When cockroaches ingest it, their bodies become poisoned, leading to immediate death. You'll see results the very next day without needing to hire a professional pest control service. And because this formula is non-toxic to pets, your dogs and cats will be unaffected. Even if your pet licks the mixture out of curiosity, it's perfectly fine. Don't place the whole slice of cake in one big piece. You need a strategy. Scatter it in the bathroom, kitchen corners, cabinets, ceilings, stairs, etc. You can divide it into smaller portions and distribute it in various locations. The mixture will last for about 4 days, drying out and being eaten by cockroaches. If you have a lot of cockroaches in your house, just repeat this process. That's all for today. I hope you'll try it. And remember, the best way to combat anything unpleasant is to keep your house clean. This method is especially effective when there is a large cockroach infestation. Try it and you'll see it's an extremely effective extermination tool. Start by taking a piece of charcoal. No special charcoal is needed, just burnt wood. Therefore, you don't incur any additional costs. And you might ask, why does charcoal kill cockroaches? Actually, charcoal doesn't work alone. It blocks the cockroach's sensors, antennae, and sensory organs, causing them to become completely disoriented and almost helpless. First, take a bowl or plate and use a grater to grind the charcoal into a fine powder, making it easier and more effective to use. As you can see, charcoal is easy to grind because it was previously wood, and after burning to ash, it's very easy to shave. You need to shave about a spoonful of charcoal, ensuring a fine texture. Next, take some white sugar, any kind will do. Use the same amount as the charcoal, that is, 1 teaspoon. Sugar is an attractive food for cockroaches, like a dessert. When mixed with charcoal, the cockroaches are compelled to eat it, but the charcoal will disorient the cockroaches, making them completely vulnerable to the next attack. Mix the charcoal powder and sugar thoroughly without using a spoon until the two ingredients are well combined. If there is not enough charcoal, add more, maintaining equal proportions to create a uniform texture. Next, use baking soda, a stronger chemical than sugar. Add half a teaspoon. Baking soda creates gas in the cockroach's stomach, preventing them from escaping and leading to their complete extinction. When cockroaches become disoriented and bite the traps along the way, they will be completely eliminated as if you were using an extremely expensive insecticide. This is one of the most powerful homemade methods for dealing with cockroaches. Remember not to use too much sugar or crushed charcoal. The purpose is to attract cockroaches to the trap, not to create an overly strong smell. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly, then form a paste using cooking oil. Here's a tip: use fresh or used oil to save money and be more efficient. If you don't have used cooking oil, use regular cooking oil. Add about half a teaspoon, mix well so the mixture is easy to mold and the cockroaches will eat it. The oil activates the charcoal. When the cockroach touches its antenna or legs, the charcoal particles stick to it, forcing the cockroach to eat the trap. After mixing, place the mixture in bottle caps or small bowls, depending on the level of cockroaches in your house. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place it where cockroaches frequently travel. In just a few hours, the cockroaches will be completely eliminated. The oil helps the trap last for more than a week. See you again in the next tip. Bye and see you again.